Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are very fine, very happy. Be positive, be hopeful, and let us read passive voice of past perfect tense. In this tense, you can see had is changed into had been, and third form of the verb. As in other tenses also I have told you. You can see the examples. Number one, he had done his work. He had done his work. His work, this is object. This, in the passive voice, we use object first. His work had been done by him. His work had been done by him. I think all of you have understood the sentence. The next sentence, वो अपना काम कर चुका था तो उसका काम उसके द्वारा किया जा चुका था. ये पहला सेंटेंस. द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, I had not read the book. I hadn't read the book. I hadn't read what? The book. The book had not been read by me. The book hadn't been read by me. The book hadn't been read by me. Understood? Okay. Number three. What had they done today? What had they done today? What had they done today? आज उन लोगों ने क्या किया था, यानी उन लोगों के द्वारा आज क्या किया गया था. What had been done by them today? What had been done by them today? Understood? The next sentence, sentence number 4. सेंटेंस नंबर 4. When had you gone to play cricket? When had you gone to play cricket? When had you gone to play cricket? See, this sentence is a typical sentence. To play is infinitive verb here. To play is infinitive verb here, and this gone is not transitive verb. ये जो gone है वो जो है transitive verb नहीं है, सकर्मक क्रिया नहीं है, अकर्मक क्रिया है, इसमें कर्म नहीं है. तो यहाँ जो चेंज होगा वो इन्फिनिटिव वर्ब में चेंज होगा, इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा क्योंकि इसका कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है ना. तो वह क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए कब गया था, क्रिकेट खेलने कब गया था, उसके द्वारा क्रिकेट कब खेला जाना था, इस तरह से हो जाएगा. उसके द्वारा क्रिकेट कब खेला जाना था. तो when had been gone by him when had been gone by him for the cricket to be played, इस तरह से जाएगा. For the cricket to be played. ये बहुत कठिन सेंटेंस हो गया, वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट सेंटेंस हो गया आपके स्तर से, 8 और 9 के स्तर से ये बहुत कठिन सेंटेंस हो गया क्योंकि गॉन जो है इसका कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. टू प्ले इन्फिनिटिव वर्ब है तो इसी में चेंजिंग होगी. तो उसके द्वारा कब जाया गया था क्रिकेट खेले जाने के लिए. इस तरह से छोड़ो और इजी सेंटेंस बता रहा हूँ. नंबर 5. Who had done this work? Who had done this work? इस काम को कौन कर चुका था या किसने किया था. तो यह काम किसके द्वारा किया गया था. बाय whom, who का बाय whom बताया है मैंने कई बार. बाय whom had this work. By whom had this work been done? By whom had this work been done? किसके द्वारा यह काम किया गया था. नंबर 6. who had not played the cricket या who had not played football. Who had not played football. Who had not played football. फुटबॉल किसके द्वारा नहीं खेला गया था? क्या नहीं खेला गया था? फुटबॉल. तो हो जाएगा by whom had football not been played. By whom had football, subject या object, not been played. By whom had football not been played. किसके द्वारा फुटबॉल नहीं खेला गया था? ये सेंटेंसेस हैं, इनको समझ लीजिए. और I am going to tell you some words. See the words and understand them. Be, been, being. Be, been, being. ये तीनों हमेशा वर्ब से ठीक पहले यूज किए जाते हैं. मेन वर्ब से ठीक पहले यूज किए जाते हैं. यानी इनको क्या कहते हैं? इन द लैंग्वेज ऑफ ग्रामर दे आर कॉल्ड एंटीसीडेंट ऑफ वर्ब. जो वर्ड वर्ब से ठीक पहले यूज किए जाते हैं, एडिशनल वर्ड होते हैं, वर्ब के साथ जोड़े जाते हैं, इनको क्या कहते हैं? एंटीसीडेंट ऑफ द वर्ब. ये वर्ड है एंटीसीडेंट. एंटीसीडेंट ये है एंटीसीडेंट ऑफ द वर्ब. ये तीनों हमेशा वर्ब से ठीक पहले यूज किए जाते हैं. ऑल दीज थ्री वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड जस्ट बिफोर द वर्ब. नाउ राइट सम होमवर्क. Homework. They had eaten all the food. They had eaten all the food. Next, I had not taught you yesterday. I had never taught you. I had never taught you. Number 3. Who had taken my pen? Who had taken my pen? Number 4. What had she done? What had she done in the night? In the night. So these 4 sentences have been given as homework to you. Thank you, my dear students.